TEFCA is the Trusted Exchange Framework and Common Agreement. And what that really boils down to is something similar to what CommonWell does today. So, CommonWell is a health information network, and TEFCA creates an environment where organizations like CommonWell can apply to become a qualified health information network. Those qualified health information networks, or QHINs, then connect to each other, creating a single on-ramp for any provider or any patient within the nation to be able to query and access their own medical information. It also provides a mechanism for this data to be pushed from one organization to another, really further expanding the scope of how data can be moved at a national scale.